Devorah Stern here, founder of DevorahStern.com. Today we are going to talk about quantum touch, and this, my friends, is a very simple, very basic healing modality. The actual book, quantumtouch.com, can be found for free online. So Richard Gordon is a teacher of this modality, and he really emphasizes that anybody can do this, and anybody can do this on themselves. So how he even defines a great healer is somebody that's healed themselves very quickly. It might be a little complicated at first, and as everyone knows, at times seeking help is a strength. So I'd love to help you with this if you need a little bit of assistance. It's all based on the principles of resonance and entrainment. So what do we mean by that? The entire universe is of a vibrational frequency. That's what all energy is. So if you can raise your frequency to the dominant vibration, then the other frequencies around you will naturally try to meet that. Let's think about fish. They swim in very distinctive schools, if you've seen them. Birds fly in very distinctive patterns. Fireflies, if you notice them alighting on a bush, they will spark randomly, and within minutes, they will all synchronize their lights. Same as grandfather clocks brought into a new antique store. One's pendulum might be out of sync with the others, but within a few days, all those pendulums will be in synchronization. We've often heard about women in a workplace. You spend pretty much more of your waking life in the work situation than anywhere else, and their menstrual cycles will synchronize, and they'll all start at about the same time of the month. So it's actually a very, very common phenomenon, and we can do this too. And how can we do this? Well, if you read the entire book, you learn about the sweeping and breathing. But let's just use the breath. If we can slow down our breath, if we can breathe in certain patterns and breathe in the positive life force energy and breathe out the dysfunction and what does not serve us, this will raise our vibrational frequency, and it can actually change the cells in our body. So me, because I have so many different healing modalities, I add a little bit of this quantum touch sweeping and breathing in all the healing sessions I form. And quantum touch actually teaches you that this is the basic handheld position, as if maybe you're shrinking down whatever you're working on and containing it here in between your hands. I'm not sure why, but I was personally directed to do the quantum touch like this. And I know that my first few instructors noticed that, and they asked me about that, and I really told them, I have no idea, but this is what I've been instructed to do. And it's so much easier, and it maybe because there's not the crossover, I'm not sure. But this is how I do the quantum touch. People that work with me in person or over Skype can see that this is how I naturally put my hands. It's very comfortable, it's very instinctive, it's very natural. And if I want to imagine shrinking down somebody or something, again, I could place the attention right here in between my hands. And what's very kind of nice for me to notice is that the people usually sitting and working with me will automatically imitate me, and they have no idea why, but they just do that as well. So it's very effective. We control our breath. We breathe in certain patterns. I like to think about breathing in the divine, breathing in the light, breathing in the healing, breathing in the function, and breathing out the dysfunction, the dis-ease. And again, it's all about intention, imagination, using gratitude to raise our vibrations. Very basic, very simple, and amazing results can happen at lightning speed. So another modality, I mix it in with all my other modalities, but go ahead and research it. If you'd like to work with me, contact me at devorahstern.com. Thank you so much, and God bless you.